Oh, finally I cannot even look up. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mira. Today I'm going to do my yoga flow outside in this beautiful park, and I really hope you will join me. And if you're on my channel now, don't forget and smash button subscribe. It means really a lot to me. And let's start. We're gonna start our workout from cleaning my space and from relaxing and breathing. Let's focus on our body and breathe. As I promised you, finally I'm outside. Stretch our back, neck, open chest, bring your arms up, how are you doing today, guys? I'm doing super good. And let's go to next exercise. We are going to do butterfly with our legs. Don't pay attention if my feet is dirty. That's obvious. I'm in the park. And don't forget to breathe. Catch your feet. And let's close and open. We bring our right leg to the left one and left to the right. In between, we keep our legs wide open. Keep going, and let's push our legs to the floor, to the ground. Becomes hot, and we place our hands in front of us and pushing our body to the floor, and going up. Let's spread our legs and straighten them. And go to the right side and to the left. Let's focus on our body and relax. Round your back, bring your arms up and push. And let's start our next exercise. We are going to stretch. Can you see me fully in camera? We're gonna stretch our leg. Just here is not good. And let's stretch our legs. You see? You look in the wrong place. You can see my feet? And let's stretch our legs. We bring it down and up. Down, up. Get comfortable and let's go. Keep your balance. And let's rest a little bit while stretching our back. We are doing waves, stretching our beautiful back. And we are going to change leg. Let's open our legs. We bring our right leg up. Little rest. Stretching our back. Oh my gosh! Wind plus lip gloss. It's a worst combination, guys. Let's repeat again. And let's go to next exercise. We are going to do butterfly. Let's focus on our body and relax. Round your back. Bring your arms up. And push. And let's breathe. And here guys, we can finish our today's yoga flow. Thank you so much for watching me. Don't forget about likes and comments. If you like my content and if you want to support my channel, you are super welcome to donate me on my PayPal account. All the money I'm gonna use to buy myself new camera, Sony FX3. Don't forget to follow all my platforms. Especially don't forget to follow my platform with exclusive content. Link you can find in description of this video. If you're still watching this video, it means you are my big fan. In this case, I prepared for you 2 more similar videos, and you can watch them here. I wish you a good day, morning or evening, and see you tomorrow in next video. Bye!